For those of you who have a history of diabetes in the family or who are experiencing pre-diabetes conditions, then blood sugar levels should be considered and closely guarded. If this time your blood sugar has increased, the thing you should do quickly is make it normal again. Apart from drugs that may be given by your doctor, you can also lower blood sugar from improving your diet. Then, what foods can help lower and maintain normal blood sugar levels? Let's see this video. Not just sugar and sugary foods to avoid, so that blood sugar levels are normal, you should limit high-fat foods. Well, as a replacement you can choose foods that contain good fats, such as fish with omega-3. There have been many studies that prove that fish containing omega-3 can help keep blood sugar levels remain normal. Moreover, fish including foods rich in protein that can make you full longer. That way, you will be awake from excessive calorie intake and not easily hungry. Choose fish that are low in fat and high in omega-3, such as salmon, tuna, bloated fish, halibut fish. High protein and low fat foods are good for blood sugar levels. Another source of protein you can use to keep your blood sugar levels normal is eggs. Because the egg does not contain any glycemic index value, so it could be a choice of protein source that is right for you who have pre-diabetes or have a high chance of developing diabetes. Egg whites have enough protein to help meet your daily protein needs. In order to stay healthy, you can cultivate eggs by boiling. Food made from whole grains is a food that is safe for blood sugar and will not make it jump suddenly. Examples of this food group are wheat bread, brown rice, or oatmeal. Although included in the carbohydrate group, this type of carbohydrate will actually help make blood sugar levels normal. Its complex and fiber-containing carbohydrates make you full longer so that you keep snacking on sweet foods. If you want to be free from the risk of diabetes, you should be good friends with all types of vegetables. Yes, vegetables are a source of fiber, vitamins, and minerals that are potent enough in controlling blood sugar levels remain normal. Even some research states that eating vegetables can reduce the risk of sugar and diabetes rise by 14%. Therefore, do not forget to always provide vegetables in every menu you eat. The suggestion of vegetables to be eaten in one day is as much as 250 grams of vegetable or equivalent to 2 half servings of cooked vegetables. Not only fibrous, avocado is also a source of good fats for the body. Monounsaturated fats contained therein have been shown to help control blood sugar levels. The good fats work by increasing the working of the hormone insulin, so that glucose does not accumulate in the blood. So, by eating avocado you can reduce the risk of diabetes. Love garlic? If so, it will be good for you. The reason garlic has been proven to help control blood sugar. A study revealed that eating garlic before meal can normalize blood sugar levels. Even in other studies mentioned that garlic also helps keep cholesterol and fat levels in the body. Of course, normal cholesterol levels will also have a good effect on blood sugar. Cocoa, which is also a chocolate-making ingredient, is good for lower blood sugar levels in the body. Unfortunately, the cocoa in question is not the cocoa processed so sweet chocolate. Cocoa used to lower blood sugar levels is a cocoa seed that contains antioxidants, flavonols, and proteins essential for the body. It also tastes quite bitter and does not contain any sweetener, but good for lowering blood glucose.